Who are you gonna go out? Go potty. Good morning. It's currently 5:30 in the morning. Hello. Go. And I'm off. I'm off to make some coffee. But like all the time. You get them like 7th notice. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god, they're like so in love. Wow. But yeah, definitely like. Oh my goodness. What a beautiful day it is. Did you meet them? There's the most opposite dogs. Here. Come here. I just came out into the middle of nowhere and never run, ever. I don't think I've ran as a workout in years, but that just felt so good. And as I was running, I'm just hearing my mom say, she used to always tell, because I used to be really into working out. I used to go to boxing. I just was really into it. And so whenever I wasn't feeling good or felt emotional or just down to myself, she would always remind me to move my body. And I wasn't even feeling that down today, but last night I kind of was. I was just like, I'm gonna run. Ow. I was just listening to this podcast in the car. I love podcasts. Should I share a few? The Spiritual Feminist. I feel like I've watched Matthew Hussey's YouTube videos and I didn't realize he has a podcast. Paul Chek, I haven't listened to him in a while, but a few months ago I was super into it. Yeah, I love some podcasts. You can I wonder if you can see who I'm following. And then I just had these in my car, which is kind of fun to talk about. I have always seen these kind of like card games. Or not card, but just like prompts. Like the We're Not Really Strangers one. I love that I bought these because I just feel like in the past that's something that I wouldn't have done. Thought I would share. The more you know. I've never made a hot PB&J. What is this called? A grilled PB&J. I've had quite the last 2 hours. The dogs ran away. I can't find the dogs. I'm getting worried. The sun is gonna set in an hour and they've been gone an hour. The moment I give up. Yeah, wait. After all the fun that I gave them today, ran away for 2 hours. I don't know where in the world they went. I mean, Will reward you. Do you want to?